I have a Kitchenaid Microwave, KMCS3022GSS, 0 that the LED display on it has started losing some of the numbers. How can I fix this? Photos attached.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. Unfortunately, the only way to fix that would be to replace the display board. The problem with that is the board is no longer being manufactured for that model, so you can't get them anymore. If you have gotten the information you need and don't have any further questions, please let me know by at least responding back with thank you so I know you don't need anything else.
What is the part number for that board?
I found a used one on eBay. The link is below. Click here to see eBay listing https://www.ebay.com/i/2739829579992 CHN equals PS and Norover equals 1 and CUF equals 1 and CRIT equals 711117182 372900 and MSID equals 2 and item equals 273982957992 and targeted equals 541453986852 and device equals C and type equals PLA and Google Lock equals 9025431 and POI equals and campaign equals 647055262 and group equals 8127434277 and RELSAT target equals odd 62252404287 PLA 541453986852 and ABKIT equals 1139336 and merchant equals 11088887 and GSILIT equals KTUKAI Ostubre AU Acre 670B _WJNC AG 4 Janvkiel J for 2 HFL 422 V8D UJ 1 Herfsichbo AU Tai by MGBO CB Coved _Bwe. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.